Welcome to another edition of Gardening in Inappropriate Clothes. I've got a white jumper on and slippers. Gonna sow some veg in this Vegepod with the winter cover on top. Super convenient, I can fill it with the very best soil, no digging, no bending, could not be easier. Crops for Christmas. Kale, lamb's lettuce, radicchio, kohlrabi, but also a couple of new things. This is a new spinach and this is a new radish. And I'm going to fit them all in my Vegepod. So this has been filled with the very best soil that I could afford, and I've made up the netting but also the winter cover, which gives that extra winter protection. Remember, that is how you water as well. Super simple. Radishes first. Make a drill and liberally sprinkle your seeds in, covering back over. Add a label so you don't forget where you planted, otherwise you have loads of vegetables on top of each other, so don't make that mistake, kids. Next, it is the spinach. So let's go. This is a new baby leaf spinach. I'm going to plant them quite densely because they're going to be selected and harvested as a baby leaf, so doesn't matter too much. Yep, radicchio is next. Let's make a drill. Oh, quite a small seed here. Love those. Nice bitter flavours. Now this next one, lamb's lettuce, is such small seeds, but I'm just going to sprinkle those on the top and cover them over lightly. Remember, the larger the seed, the more soil you have to put on top. And finally, it's time for the kale. Baby leaf kale. Again, making a drill and then sprinkle along. Remember, if the seedlings are too close together, you can always prick them out and give them a bit more space. So I didn't get myself too dirty. Everything is planted up. So we're going to put the lid on, complete with that winter cover, and then I'm going to plug this in, give it a water, and then pretty much leave that for a few weeks, because this time of year, everything's going to grow fairly slowly. They're going to get some moisture from the atmosphere anyway, so do not overwater. But let's see if we can get some salads by Christmas.